Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Sheralyn. Today I made this really cute halo cut crease look. It's in shades blue, purple and pink. If you want to know how I got this look, please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. So I'm just gonna go in with my eyes first. I usually do like my face first, but like since I'm gonna do like a dramatic makeup look, I'm gonna go in with my eyes first. To begin with, I'm just gonna go in with my Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles because I have like veins on my eyelids, so I just want to prime that out. And if you didn't notice, I already did my eyebrows. And I also have like a mirror here, so if you're wondering why I keep looking down, it's because I have a mirror at the bottom. Go in with my Models Prefer Contour Collection, and I'm going to go in the shade, I think that's 03, prime my eyelids. I don't usually prime my eyelids, like I only do it like when I just basically can be bothered to, but today will be the day. And then I usually just get like a beauty blender and just blend that out. And I literally just concealed my eyebrow. It's okay, I'll fix it later. I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm just going to put that on my crease. Okay, I'm gonna go in with like this brush right here. I don't know what brand this is. Oh, Mange in the brush 5258. I need to get my colours. Okay. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna go in with like a brown shade, maybe like this colour. And just go with like just a normal brush just to like kind of darken up like the orange. I'm going to go in with the Colour Pop Super Shock Shadow in the colour Dare, and this is such a beautiful shade. Like, it's like a loose shadow, and I really don't want to drop it, but it's like a loose shadow. And I'm just going to go in with like a flat brush and just literally take my time with this. Blue, and just kind of darken it up a bit more. I mixed these two colours and basically just put it on where I put the concealer. I go in with my Colourpop Slave to Pink, and going to use that same flat brush and go over it because I want it to be like a more of a pinky colour. that looks okay. Just this blue. And I'm gonna blend it through, okay? Going back in with the orange shade just to like blend that through, because okay, so I just did my winged eyeliner. I'm just gonna take off this. So now I'm just gonna go in with mascara. And yay, to my favorite part, my face. As you can probably see here and like all here is so red, because I decided to use something that irritates my skin, but I thought, you know, I've grown out of it. But no, I literally woke up the next morning and felt like my skin was burning. Yeah, I'm just gonna go in with my Soft Focus Illuminator. This is by Nude by Nature, and this stuff is so good. It likes hides your imperfections, plus like giving you like a glow from underneath your foundation. So I usually do this bit underneath my primer, just like glow from like underneath. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my Hangover face primer, and this is like a nourishing primer, so it won't like dry out my skin. So I just put that like everywhere. And my battery is literally about to die, so I'm just gonna go change that. Okay, so for my foundation, I want like my face to be like full coverage. So to make that happen, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline New York 24-Hour Foundation, and this is in the color Amber Beige. And since my face is like wider than my body, I have to get a darker foundation, because I just gotta do that. And also I'm gonna be mixing that in with my NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. And since these foundations are a bit too dark for me, I'm just gonna go in with like a lighter foundation, which is the Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream, and this is like in the shade Shell. And I usually use that for my like concealer. So I'm just gonna mix all three together. But before I do that, I'm gonna color correct my face, because I have redness on my face, as I already told you that. This powder brush by Real Techniques, and just blend that through. This looks really dark, but trust me, it will work out. And I like to go in to my ears as well, just so everything's just even. And then with like a beauty blender, just make sure that's all blended. Okay, so once you think that's all blended in, I'm gonna go in and highlight. So now I'm gonna bake. Oh, what the hell was that? So since I concealed like my face and highlighted it, I'm gonna go in with my banana powder, and I'm gonna start baking underneath my eyes. But as I said, my skin is super dry at the moment, so I'm not gonna bake full on. So just waiting for my baking just to set. I'm going to go in with my bronzing / contour colour and just contour my cheekbones. I want to make them very defined. So now that I bronzed and took off my bake, I'm just going to go in with a nice blush, and this is from Rimmel and it's in the shade 220. So since I've done my face, I'm going to go back in with the purple shade that I did on my eyes with a flat brush and just do that on my waterline. I'm going to go in with the pink shade and do that in the middle of my waterline. And then I'm going to go in with this blue shade and then do that for the rest of my waterline. Just like that. And now just to put on my actual waterline, I'm going to go in with this blue shade. Darken that up with my purple eyeliner on the end. Going back with my mascara, I'm just going to do that on my bottom lashes. Now for my favourite bit, I'm going in with my highlighter. So that's just the one that I used. And I'm going to go in with this purpley shade and use that for my inner corners. Oh my god, that's such a pretty colour. Okay, I'm going to go in with my Models Prefer Another Dimension highlighter. It looks like that. And just put on the tip of my nose. Just like that. Okay guys, I'm sorry, but I literally had to put this on my smile lines because it was literally creasing. And I didn't know what was the go there. And just to pink that up, because I feel that's really nude, I go in with this shade, Mahogany, and just darken out the edges. And last but not least, just setting my face with the Aloe Vera Cucumber and Green Tea by Mario. And this is really hydrating since my skin's really dry at the moment. So this comes to the end of my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, comment, and follow all of my social media down in the description box. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!